Hey, did you know that Google Maps uses the same math behind relations and functions to find the best routes? Pretty cool, right? So, what exactly are relations and functions? Well, a relation is simply a connection between two sets of things. A function is a special type of relation where each input has only one output. This is super important for your ICSE exams, and you'll see lots of questions about it. Let's talk about types of relations. We have reflexive, symmetric, and transitive relations. Reflexive means an element is related to itself. Symmetric means if A is related to B, then B is related to A, and transitive means if A relates to B, and B relates to C, then A relates to C. Got it? Now, let's define an important term, the domain. The domain is simply the set of all possible input values for a relation or function. It's what you feed into the function, like numbers you put into a calculator. Next up, types of functions. We have one-to-one, onto, and bijective functions. One-to-one means each input has a unique output. Onto means every output has at least one input. And bijective means it's both one-to-one and onto. Easy peasy. Here's a key formula. F, x, equals y. F is the function, x is the input, and y is the output. This shows how the function, f, transforms x into y. Remember this, it's fundamental. Let's move on to composition of functions. This is when you apply one function to the result of another. Think of it like a recipe. First you chop the vegetables, then you cook them. It's the order of operations that matters. Here's another important formula. FOG, x, equals FG, x. This means you first apply function, g, to, x, and then apply function, f, to the result. Pay attention to the order, it's crucial. Here's a key point to remember. The domain is the input, and the range is the output. Don't mix them up. Examiners love to trick you with domain restrictions, so be careful. Let's do a quick example. If f, x, equals x squared plus 1, find f, 3. First, substitute x equals 3 into the function, f, 3, equals 3 squared plus 1. Then, calculate, f, 3, equals 9 plus 1. So, f, 3, equals 10. See how simple that is? Relations and functions are used in databases. Tables in databases are relations between data, and queries are functions that retrieve specific information. This is why it's so important for data analysis and management. Here are a few exam tips. Always define the domain and range clearly. Practice composite function problems, and watch out for tricky wording in questions. These will help you score higher. So, to recap, relations connect sets, functions are special relations, and you need to understand the types of relations and functions. Master composite functions, and you'll be golden. All of this, AI notes, doubt solving, and practice tests for relations and functions, is available for free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start learning for free today at synapse.omups.in. Master relations and functions for ICSE. And please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.